Track Marshall, this is. So Track Marshall came about due to a takeover of John Fowler and Company by Marshall, Sons & Co. in 1947. The company had been making a lot of tracked vehicles, especially during World War II. But then when they were merged, they decided that the Fowler Company would manufacture a tracked version of the Field Marshal wheeled tractor. The first Track Marshall tractor model was sold in 1956. They were demonstrated in 1955. And they were produced with increasing power versions over the years. And the business was sold to British Leyland in 1972. Now these versions are not in particularly good condition, as you can see. They're available, this Track Marshall 90 only is an agricultural model designed to obtain the maximum utilisation from the largest agricultural implements available at the time. They were produced from 1970 to 1975. You could only get the colour in yellow. It had a Perkins 6354 direct injection diesel Ford 2714E direct injection diesel. So yeah, a rather random spotting two of these. So quite cool indeed. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and whenever I'm out and about and spot these things, I will share them with the channel. Thank you.